Hi everyone, this is Glenda Ganzon and welcome to my Nihongo class. For today's lesson, I'm going to be teaching you how to use let us plus verb in constructing a sentence, or what we call as the Masho form in Nihongo. So let's start. For my first example, we will be using ikimasho or let's go and gakko, which means school. So in my first sentence, the subject is in the beginning of the sentence. And of course, we know that gakko means school. We will be using a particle ni before the verb ikimasho. So, gakko ni ikimasho means let's go to school or let us go to school. Let me repeat this sentence once again. Gakko ni ikimasho. In English, let's go to school. For my next example, we will be using yomi, which means read, and the masho form, which will make yomi masho, or in English, it means let us read or let's read. We will also be using hon, or in English, it's a book. And as usual, the formula of constructing a sentence using the masho form, the subject should always be in the beginning of the sentence. So hon, which is book, should be in the beginning of the sentence. Let us read this example. Hon o yomimasho. In English, it means let's read a book. You can also notice here that I use particle o before the verb yomimasho. So let us read this sentence once again. Hon no yomimasho. In English, let's read a book. In my third example, I use kai, or in English, it means by, and we add masho with kai to form kai masho. We will also be using kutsu, which means shoes in English. And as you notice, in the beginning of my sentence, I used kutsu, which means shoes, as my subject, plus the particle o, which is used before the verb kaimasho, which means let's buy. Let me read this sentence. Kutsu kaimasho. In English, let's buy shoes. Let me repeat again this sentence. Kutsu kaimasho. In English, let's buy shoes. In my next example, I used mimasho, or let us watch, or let's watch. I also used ega. In English, it means movie. So we will be using ega, which is the subject of the sentence, in the beginning of the sentence. We will also be using o before the verb mimasho. So ega o mimasho means let's watch a movie. Let me read this once again. Ega o mimasho. In English, it means let's watch a movie. In my next example, I use nomimasho, or in English, it means let us drink. Mizu is water. So we will again be using mizu in the beginning of the sentence as our subject, followed by particle o, which will be used before the verb nomimasho. So mizu is water and nomimasho means let's drink. Mizo nomimasho, in English, it means let's drink water. Let me read this one once again. Mizo nomimasho. In English, it means let's drink water. This time, I will be giving you an exercise. You will be using kikimasho, which means let's listen, and ongaku, which means music. I will be giving you 5 seconds to translate this sentence in Nihongo. And the sentence is, let's listen to music. Your 5 seconds start now. Very good. Let's listen to music in Nihongo is ongaku kikimasho. Ongaku means music and kikimasho means let's listen. So, ongaku kikimasho means let's listen to music. Our next exercise is let's study Japanese. I'll be giving you the Japanese translation for let's study, which is Benkyou shimasho, and of course, Nihongo is Japanese. I'll be giving you 5 seconds to translate let's study Japanese in Nihongo, and your 5 seconds start now. Very good. So let's study Japanese in Nihongo is Nihongo benkyou shimasho. Let me repeat this once again. Nihongo benkyou shimasho. In English, it means let's study Japanese. Our next exercise is let's write a letter. I'll be giving you the Nihongo words for let's write a letter. Tegami is letter and let's write is kakimasho. I'll be giving you 5 seconds to translate this sentence, let's write a letter in Nihongo. And your 5 seconds start now. Very good. Let's write a letter is tegami o kakimasho. Let me read this once again. Tegami o kakimasho. In English, let's write a letter. I hope you've learned a lot from this lesson for today, and I hope you already know how to construct a sentence using the masho form, or in English, let us. And if you have any question, please write your question in the comment box down below. And if you like any topic that you would like me to do, please write your comment in the comment box down below also. And if you like this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Also click like. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Also hit the notification bell so that you'll be updated with my new videos. And again, thank you for watching. Until my next video. Bye.